Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to spot for real, in-depth reviews on the latest and most useful products out there. Today, we're checking out the XVCAS Full Motion TV Wall Mount. A compact yet powerful solution designed to securely mount your television while offering a great range of motion and flexibility. So let's dive in. The XVCAS Full Motion TV Wall Mount is built to accommodate a wide range of televisions, specifically those between 19 and 55 inches in size. Whether you're working with a small LED in the bedroom or a larger LCD in your living room, this mount has you covered. It supports a maximum weight of up to 66 pounds, which comfortably includes most TVs within that size range. It's also compatible with both flat and curved screens, making it a universal choice for almost any modern display. Now, let's talk about versatility, and that's where this mount really shines. The full motion capability means it isn't just a fixed wall mount. Instead, it gives you flexibility with 180-degree swivel, a forward tilt of 8 degrees, and a backward tilt of 5 degrees. That means whether you're sitting off to the side, lying down, or dealing with a pesky glare from the window, you can adjust your TV to the perfect angle with ease. And when you don't need it extended, the arm retracts to just 2.8 inches from the wall for a sleek, low-profile look. When extended, it reaches out to 16.7 inches. That's more than enough to pivot your TV for different viewing angles in open rooms or corner placements. Installation is also designed to be user-friendly. The mount is compatible with VESA patterns from 100 by 100 mm up to 400 by 400 mm, which is the industry standard for TV mounting holes. If your TV falls within that range, and most do, you're good to go. The package typically includes the mounting hardware you'll need, but be sure to check your specific box to confirm. In terms of build quality, it's solid. The bracket is made of heavy-duty steel with a durable black powder-coated finish. It feels robust in hand and doesn't flex or bend during setup. Once installed, your TV feels secure, with no noticeable wobble or instability when adjusting its position. This kind of flexibility is perfect for anyone looking to create a better viewing experience in a small space or a multi-purpose room. Whether you're gaming, binge-watching, or hosting movie night, having the ability to adjust your screen on the fly can really elevate the experience. Another plus is that it's compatible with a wide variety of TV brands. So whether you own a Samsung, LG, TCL, Sony, Vizio, or pretty much any other major brand, there's a good chance this mount will work for you. At the time of this review, the XVCAS Full Motion TV Wall Mount is priced affordably, making it a budget-friendly option without sacrificing key features. It's not overbuilt, but it definitely gets the job done, especially for those who want a straightforward mount with tilt and swivel options. To wrap it up, the XVCAS TV Wall Mount is a smart buy for most people. It supports a wide range of screen sizes and weights, it's easy to install, and it offers a great set of motion features for a low-profile mount. If you've been looking for a reliable wall mount that won't break the bank and offers solid flexibility, this might just be the one. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a deep dive on the best tech and accessories for your home. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.